I'm back with another mukbang. Truck bang challenge. Come get you some. Bussin', 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 bussin'. Let's get it. Bussin', bussin', bussin'. You got to trust the Coke Zero. You know what I'm talking about? Bussin', 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 bussin'. Say what up, kinfolk. Bussin', bussin'. It is what it is. You hear me? Hey, me. I'm back with another challenge. Hey, it's the Happy Meal challenge. I was challenged by this by Miss Hobbs. Miss Hobbs did that challenge with a Treacle Texas tea that ain't nobody called me out on. Well, it's all good. She challenged me to this Happy Meal challenge where I have to eat a Happy Meal, and I guess under a minute and a half or as fast as I can. You know, last video I got whooped. I got whooped by Lips challenge, but this is a little more safe. It's a little Happy Meal. It's Happy Meal for kids. You hear me? This Happy Meal is for little boys and girls. So I'm a grown man. I shouldn't have no problem with this. So I got a cheeseburger Happy Meal. And I got some French fries. And it's supposed to give me extra fries because I didn't get the Go-Gurt or the milk or the apples or something like that. Or whatever. And I got a toy. We're gonna play with this toy later. And I got a drink. And I got my cell phone for the timer. We finna get it in, y'all. I'm finna channel my inner Randy Santel. Okay, he do it like this. And I ain't do the Snapchat. Oops. Sorry, kinfolk. But I'm finna say grace. And we finna get it in. Come get you some. Amen. All right, let's get it. Let's go. Don't let this beat me. It's for a kid. It's for a kid. And I'ma challenge some people when I finish it. I'ma finish it, but I hope I finish it when I say I want to finish it. Because in my head, anyway. Shout out to Miss Hobbs. You know what I'm saying? She remember me. Okay. Okay, here we go. Let's go. Channel my inner Randy Santel. 3, 2. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Can you see it? Can you see the phone? Okay, hold on. 3, 2, 1, boom. Hey. That's the wrong strategy. You tried to whip my behind. Bump it. Ain't give me no napkin. I still got food in my mouth. I'm gonna die. You and me? Man. 2 minutes and 52 seconds. I think I'm gonna do that again. Say, take that head off. You ain't nothing like me. You right. I'm a marathon runner. I'm not a sprinter. You hear me? I thought I was gonna do much better than that. Sorry, can't vote, but I'm still challenging people. I'm gonna challenge Lips. You knew that was coming. I'm gonna challenge Sam and Jordan. Both of y'all can get into this. One person. And I'm gonna challenge you, little shiny man. Let's get it. I'm gonna get a kick out of it. I thought I could do it. 2 minutes and 52 seconds ain't that bad. I think the quickest time was 16 seconds by Matt Stoney. This video is still going up though. Hey, I can't waste videos. I feel woozy. Hey, that would me more than them 4 Big Macs did. Them fries were cold. I'm sitting there coming up with excuses. Anybody can do the challenge though. Appreciate you, Miss Hobbs, for thinking about me. But them fries almost killed me. Them fries was jabbing my uvula, and I was like, oop, cause I could have drunk it. Never mind, I'm tripping. Hey, I'm doing one more challenge. You hear me? Cause I promised this lady I'd do it. And then that, don't y'all know, leave me alone. My mustard and strawberries. No, I'm not doing it. I'm not. Lady kinfolk, I'll see you later on. Peace.